This is the solution to the previous short. Well, what is the key move here? This is the question. Well, white's knight and pawn are attacked. This is white to deliver checkmate in a maximum of 4 moves. The key move is the not so obvious rook e1. Well, we're protecting the knight. Okay? Now, what is the threat here? Well, the threat quite simply is checkmate. Now, if he tries to stop this checkmate by means of that, what do? We play to here, and in that position, it doesn't matter what he does. That is checkmate on the next move, and that's a mate in 3. Because if he plays here, he's not getting away. That's still checkmate. If he takes the pawn, it's not a problem because it's still checkmate. We're covering all the squares. So that is after the key move of rook e1. What else does he have? Well, of course, you're screaming at me. Yes, he can take the pawn, can't he? So what do we do there in that position? Just take a good look at it. This is a study in itself. Well, you play to there. That's the second move. So what does black have there? Well, he can't interpose anything. He can only move his king to 2 squares. He can move it to here. We'll look at that in a moment. Or he can move it to here. Now, how do we deal with this? This is very difficult. No, it isn't. I lied. Because that's checkmate. Isn't that wonderful? Just look at it. No way out. So what happens if he comes here? How do we finish him off in 2 moves from this position? This is quite interesting. Well, we do the unexpected. We move the rook again. We're removing the defense of that knight. But we notice that black's king only has 1 move now. He has to take the knight. So how does white finish him next move? Like that. And that is how the game finished. Checkmate, queen d5. Have a look on the comments box of the previous short and you'll see the full game. But I hope that you've tried to solve this, and if you did, very well done indeed. It's quite a nice finish to this game, is it not?